candy bar on the same equipment that the Hershey company uses to make some of your favorite products. Before we start, please make sure that you keep your ticket handy. You'll need it for all of your activities here today. Be sure to use the ticket with your name on it. And parents, you may want to assist young children. Because you're entering a real food processing area, proper wardrobe must be worn at all times, including hair coverings and aprons. And please remove any loose jewelry. It's also important to follow all safety regulations.
Okay, so we're starting to make our candy bar. Let's see, we're going to hit the milk chocolate. And hit continue. And let's see, what should I go with? So many choices. Candy Crisp, chocolate cookie bits, vanilla chips, butter toffee pretzel. I'm going to give pretzel a try. And I'm going to give butternut toffee crunch. I think that'd be an interesting combo. And should we add sprinklers? You know, because it's a holiday bar. No. Should I put sprinklers on?
They're fun.
I'll give it a try. But put sprinklers on. Okay, and make my bar.
Yeah. Now we're
There
going
we
to
go.
smell some
Going
chocolate.
in. We're going into the factory line.
Just show you a few things in here.
Okay.
This is a 10-pound bar.
Oh wow.
We place the 10-pound bars in our melt tank.
Okay.
Our melt tank holds 1,250 pounds of chocolate. Then, once it melts down here, it goes over here to the strainer device where it's filtered through, making sure it's just pure chocolate. Then it goes over here to the tempering unit where it crystallizes the cocoa butter, makes for a glossy finish, a nice snap, and better tasting chocolate. Goes up these pipes all the way down into the chocolate waterfall.
Yeah, nice.
This is the enrober. This machine is used in our factories to use whatchamacallits, Take 5, peppermint patties, mounds, almond joy. They're all made the enrober way.
Go, Majorchaoz. We're pulling down the lever.
And that'll be our bar right there.
There's the bar.
Each station has an eye report to the blue box. It's actually reading each person's barcode, so it knows which inclusion to place in your bar.
Goes awfully slow.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's going a little faster.
It does have moments where it speeds up.
Okay, here comes the pretzels. Here we go. Pretzel bits. There's our pretzels. Alright, so here comes the butter toffee. As you can see it coming out. There you go. Yum. Alright, so now this is going on to where?
Now it's going on to the enrober, where it will be enrobed in milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate, huh? And you guys can see it right up here on the screen on top. See, it's going right through. There you go. There it goes. Black chocolate. Hello, Hershey bar. There you go. It's coming out now. There it is. It's enrobed in chocolate.
And this device here will smooth out the excess chocolate, smooth out your bar. The shaker device here gets all the air pockets out, so there will be no air in your bar.
Okay. And then what's this?
This is the sprinkler.
Oh,
so
sprinkler.
you get your sprinkles on top.
Oh, there you go, sprinklers, guys. And then I guess you guys change it up for different holidays.
Exactly.
How come you don't have the big ones like you were showing on the screen? I mean, not the other one on the video. You know, the big, like the mini kisses.
That's what we had all summer.
Ah.
And we changed over for the fall, and we just switched today to the.
There you go. Look at that, guys, right there.
The red, white, and green.
Nice.
For the winter holidays. It will go into the cooling tunnel for 10 minutes.
And
then while it cools,
available here, and you can see it being cooled. And it's very cold. I can feel that too.
Yes, it's 50 degrees in the tunnel.
And now we're going to go design our package.
Exactly right. So you just grab any kiosk, scan your ticket.
Yep.
We're going back to cases.
Yes, we are.
You may pick 3 pre-made choices, or you may go here and start from the beginning, choosing your colors.
I think I'm gonna.
Any background, any color.
Ah.
Have fun. Yep.
Let's see. I actually like the brown. I think that looks cool.
And now this is black. You like the brown, or
Yeah.
you like the black?
Well, it's brown.
Oh, that's your brown. And you may choose 2 logos.
Okay.
One of them's your name.
Let's do the Majorchaoz's. Let's do see if only I can make that cover that.
You can.
Oh, you can.
Oh, you want?
Like it says
Majorchaoz
Majorchaoz's chocolate world, you know.
Yeah. That you can't do. You may pick 4 of those.
Let me see.
And you can size them down too.
Okay.
Over here.
Alright, yeah, I see. Majorchaoz's Hershey. Let's do some and do maybe a little smaller. There. And
You can add 2 more if you'd like.
I'm gonna do a little Hershey kiss. And put him up in the corner. I think that's good.
Okay.
Maybe I'll do a different. Yeah, I like that one better.
Okay.
And then send to the printer.
Wood board tells you you have about 6 minutes left in the cooling tunnel.
Alright. See, it says Majorchaoz right up there. 6 minutes, 5 minutes, counting down.
And it'll come out the cooling tunnel, and then we can watch it wrap up.
Oh, okay. Guys will see it come down here, and we'll show you the video when it comes out. Yeah, and here's our chocolate bar. 2 more minutes and it's almost done. Moving quite fast. So, we'll see in a few. And here comes the bar. Onto the conveyor. And there it goes. Woo! So fast. Dang, that was fast. So right now, it's just sitting there. And there it goes to station 2. Next to station 3. Then to station 5. Or station 4, which is missing a sticker. Whoa, check that out. Here goes the box. I want you to open up the box. Look at that. You opened it. I want you to shoot it right inside.
It'll be here at 10.
Okay. Here it comes, guys. Now it's going to shoot it in. Look at that, right inside the box. And now comes the laser. Look at that right there. Woo, that was cool. You guys didn't see that. That was so fast. That was so fast. And here it comes. It's coming. Coming down the line, guys. Stamped it. And now it's ready to ship. Directly to me, in my hand. There it is.
Here's the studio. You were asking about that.
Okay.
Waffles, brownies, Rice Krispies, strawberries.
Thank
So
you.
if you're interested.
There it is. Check this out, guys. It's a candy cottage made completely of Hershey products. Can you believe that? Look. Even get in close, you could say. Cookies, candies, everything's made out of chocolate. I mean, these ladies are really doing a lot of hard work for construction.
See them?
Look at this.
That is so neat.
They got the little blisters. They got Twizzlers. They got the chocolate machines. This is just one big, amazing piece of artwork. Even the side is beautiful too. Look, making kisses wreath. That's pretty cool.